Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offline. On the application of Google Wallet, we click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Google Wallet and we click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about Google Wallet. If you find updates, then you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your